Well, we now know the fate of the Newton County couple who murdered their infant daughter back in 2017.
A judge sentenced Chris McNabb to life without parole and Courtney Bell to 30 years with 15 to serve. Fox 5's Deidre Dukes joins us live from the Newton County Courthouse, where the very emotional sentencing just finished about an hour ago. Deidre?
And it only took an hour, Sine and Russ, for the jury to return that guilty verdict. Guilty, both defendants on all counts in the 2017 death of their infant daughter. Now, back in October of 2017, the couple claimed that they woke that morning to find their 2-week-old daughter missing. They claimed that a door was ajar and that someone had kidnapped their daughter. Now, the next day, her body was found in a bag belonging to McNabb. The coroner determined that the child had died of blunt force trauma to the head. Now, after listening to about a week's worth of testimony and hearing closing arguments this morning, the jury took a lunch break. They returned, and at about 3 o'clock this afternoon, they got the case. About an hour later, at around 4 o'clock, we were told that the jury had returned with a verdict. Now, after the jury was released by the judge, we talked to a juror, and this is what he had to say as to how they returned that verdict so quickly.
A lot of it's just the circle they lived in. It just needed to be broken.
What was the deliberation process like, sir? If you could kind of describe for us what went on in that room.
Just we all agreed just the brutality of the child that hit home. And
I'm sorry, the what?
The brutality of the child, and just no signs of forced entry. There was 4 people in the home. We could eliminate 2 right off the bat. So, you know, the parents are the 2 that was, we believe, committed this crime, or at least Mr. McNabb. So it was horrendous, to be honest with you.
Even as they were sentenced by the judge today, both Bell and McNabb maintained their innocence. The judge had very strong words for both now convicted felons, telling Bell that she chose methamphetamine and McNabb over her child. It was a very emotional trial for everyone in that courtroom, from the jurors to the family members who were there in court and were there for the sentencing. We'll have more on what the judge had to say to McNabb and Bell and their reactions in the courtroom on Fox 5 News tonight at 10. For now, we're live in Newton County. Deidre Dukes, Fox 5 News.
All right. Thank you, Deidre.